So guys, we know you want to show up on local maps, and the webmasters will help you with local maps for sure. Local maps is a part of a bigger picture, as with anything with SEO and showing up online. Did you know that your map will show up better if you complete content properly throughout the website? The website pages inside those pages and content inside will actually help that map show up better. Completing Google My Business, reviews, citations, domain authority. There's all sorts of things that go into seeing that your local map goes up. A good example of this, you see guys with lots of reviews on Google, their map's not in the top 3. It's because they're missing all the other components. Something we treat very seriously. It's obviously one of the hallmarks, one of the main things of local SEO and organic optimization is that map placement. Our company will fight hard to get you into top 3 placement for maps. It's one of the primary things we do. All the good things that we do that wrap around to make it all happen helps put your map into placement. If you're looking for map optimization, give us a call. We look forward to being of service.